a look at the judicial race in Hamilton County.
Now, WLWT News 5's Curtis Fuller introduces us to the candidates.
Both Amy Searcy and Ray Pater will tell you the domestic relations court is where they were destined to be.
Everything I have done up till now, I realize, has led me to where I am.
I know the system. I can sit in tomorrow and do the job.
Searcy was appointed to serve as a judge in domestic relations court this year. Previously, she served as a municipal court magistrate and director of the Hamilton County Board of Elections. She says experience and her unique perspective make her the right fit for this court.
I was an advocate in this very room. I've stood behind that podium and sat at that table as an attorney representing clients. I've also been in this room sitting at that table as a private citizen with my own case here. So I understand how everyone in this courtroom feels. Now I'm sitting on the bench, and it feels like I have come full circle.
Pater says he has more than 20 years of family law expertise. He's currently the executive director of the Butler County Child Support Enforcement Agency.
This for me is not a stepping stone. I'm not a politician in any way. This is what I know, what I do, and what I've been trained to do.
On the issue of domestic violence, we witnessed this week a case in North College Hill. A man accused of stabbing his wife. Police say 4 of their 5 children were at home when this happened. Even police wonder why there wasn't more intervention, because they have been called to this house many times. It's the type of case that could find its way into domestic relations court. Amy Searcy says the way information is shared with police could be helpful as they confront some of these issues in families.
Concerning child custody and stay-away orders and protection orders that we have here with the police officers on the street. So the officer on the street who gets a phone call in a domestic situation at 7 o'clock on a Friday night, courthouse is closed, can't get information from our clerk's office, can get that information from his or her computer. That's one thing I would change.
Pater says one of his top priorities is child support.
You need someone in there that understands that the child support affects over 1 million children. It's the second in the state, second largest public service agency for children, behind public education. So that would be a huge platform for me, and I could bring so much expertise in that area. I know domestic relations law inside and out because it's all my career has been devoted for this.
I'm Curtis Fuller, WLWT News 5.
Well, before you head to the polls, head to our website, WLWT.com, to learn more about the other candidates who want to represent you. Click on the In Their Own Words section to hear their stances on the issue.